up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs. Forgive the sunburn. The 5-head is absolutely roasted. We finally got some warm weather, but today we have a 2022 Toyota Tundra, and I'm telling you what, this is the generation of finally. They finally updated the interior after years and years of basically running the same, and finally changed to a bolt pattern that's a little bit more friendly to the aftermarket. They switched to a 6-on-139, that's 6-on-5.5, so I foresee a lot of wheel options for this vehicle, even as you start getting into the big builds, the more pavement and show truck builds. Now the kit we put on is the Westcott Designs. This is the 3-inch kit, brings it up 3 inches up front and 1 inch in the rear. Those measurements allow you to pretty comfortably fit a 35-1250 underneath this truck. This tire is the Falken Wildpeak AT3Ws. They're a very popular tire here because they do have the 3-peak mountain Snowflake rating. Now these wheels are the Relations race wheels. They are the RR6 in the gunmetal gray. They are 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. And these are a hybrid beadlock setup that can be run either DOT approved for the road or in a beadlock for off-road only. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, really excited to get a bunch more of these vehicles in here to lift, but for now, here's this beautiful green one. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.